Forget what you knew about boring industrial stocks. It's February 2026, and the factory floor has officially become the new front line for AI. Last year was about chatbots. This year is about agentic AI, autonomous systems that don't just follow a script, but actually run the assembly line. With US reshoring at an all-time high and the CHIPS Act money finally hitting the pavement, the smart factory revolution is no longer a pilot program, it's a gold mine. Today, we're looking at the 3 high-growth stocks that are building the physical backbone of the AI era. First on our list is Cognex. If a robot is the hand of the factory, Cognex is the eyes. In 2026, Cognex has successfully pivoted from basic barcode scanning to edge learning vision. Their sensors now use localized AI to detect defects in milliseconds without needing a connection to the cloud. The 2026 catalyst, with the explosion of EV battery plants and automated logistics, demand for their AI vision systems is soaring. The numbers: analysts have recently set price targets as high as $82, representing a 30% plus upside from current levels as their high-margin software subscriptions begin to outpace hardware sales. You can't have a smart factory without chips, and you can't have chips without ultra-clean holdings. This is a classic picks and shovels play. UCTT provides the ultra-high purity fluid delivery systems used by giants like Applied Materials and Lam Research. Why 2026? We are currently in the middle of a massive semiconductor equipment supercycle. UCTT is projected to see a staggering 77% earnings growth this year. Growth potential: despite a mid-cap valuation, they are the primary beneficiary of the US-based megafabs coming online right now. If you want a stock that moves with the AI infrastructure boom but isn't overvalued like the big-cap chip makers, this is it. Finally, our high-risk, high-reward play, Symbotic. Symbotic doesn't just sell robots, they sell a warehouse-as-a-service platform powered by AI. Their tech allows retailers like Walmart to squeeze 5x more inventory into the same space using fully autonomous fleets. The 2026 agentic shift. This year, Symbotic rolled out their Green Box initiative, fully automated micro-fulfillment centers. The play: while the stock is volatile, their multi-billion-dollar backlog provides a massive cushion. As logistics costs rise, Symbotic's ability to automate the backroom is becoming a necessity, not a luxury. The smart factory revolution is about one thing: efficiency at the edge. Whether it's Cognex's vision, UCTT's infrastructure, or Symbotic's brains, these companies are turning their industrial sector into the growth sector of 2026. But remember, these are high beta stocks. Always watch the interest rate signals from the Fed, as these small and mid-caps are sensitive to borrowing costs. Which of these 3 is on your 2026 watch list? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a deep dive into the Q4 earnings for any of these names, hit that subscribe button.